everyone, this is Steve Wang. I'm glad to show you this. You can see a lot of products behind me. This iron as a temporary assembly point. All of the product is be waiting to send to the warehouse for reprocessing or waiting to be loaded to the customers in those 2 days. Let's see what we can find in this iron. Follow me. This silver product is be waiting to send it to the customer in those 2 days, and we can see there have a lot of black mesh in there. This black mesh is preparing to send to the galvanizing workshop for reprocessing, and after the processing, they will become the silver mesh. We just see that last one is there. You can see those package is be ready to send it to the customer. I think they will be sent out in the day after tomorrow. The several products here be divided in 2 types: cold galvanized and hot galvanized. Let me show you the difference in those two pictures. Shown in those 2 pictures, there are no fusion layers similar to diagonal line in cold galvanized. The big difference is the service life. Cold galvanized can take about 50 years and hot galvanized can take about 25 years. You can choose the right product according to your situation. Let me show you more semi-finished products. Follow me. This is the warehouse of semi-finished products. Let's see what we can find in this warehouse. This yellow big equipment is used for egg collection system. Let me show you how it works in this video. This equipment is a manual cleaning machine. Let's see how it works in this video. We have a lot of fitting here. All of the fitting is used for installing chicken cages and the big equipment systems machine. You can see all of the equipment here. It is gantry feeder. It can feed the chicken house at once, and it can save the time and labor. There are a lot of packages here. They are nylon belt for collection the eggs. And let's see how it looks like. Those white nylon belts, about 1 palm wide, you can see. And this one is used for transport the eggs. You can see the white plastic belt here is used for transport the chicken manure. And those plastic is very smooth and very durable. It can be used. The service life is about 50 years. You can see those 2 packages is different size, because we will custom those plastic belts according to the customer's order. Where are the most plastic belts from? It's being produced by this machine. As you can see, this machine is running right now.